Everyone knows the movie Ghostbusters is fiction, but some of the technology behind the film is real and made right here in Central Florida.
Think you've seen a ghost? Who you gonna call?
A lot of people may have had something happen in their home, they might have heard something, might have seen something. They come to us for help.
At Ghost Stop in St. Cloud, Ghostbusters in training can pick up all the gear needed for a real-life ghost hunt.
It's not necessarily something everybody talks about, but it's something a lot of people have an interest in.
And some of those who are interested have experienced the paranormal before.
Well, I had like a little girl that was in my room and never bothered me, but just like scared us a little bit, threw us off. We didn't really believe in ghosts until we actually encountered one.
This is one of the newest camcorders that we have.
Encounters are this shop's specialty. The team often goes out on investigations to gather evidence of supernatural activity.
If anything passes in front of that grid, although we are skeptical and looking at things from a logical and maybe scientific standpoint, there are things we don't understand.
But it's not always a ghost behind some of these mysterious encounters.
Is it the plumbing? Is it the way the car lights are interacting outside? Always look for those first before jumping to ghost.
Most of the equipment sold here is made in this workshop.
The whole idea behind the equipment is to enhance and document our senses. The workshop back behind you is where we've got essentially mad scientists that are building equipment all day long, designing equipment that we can use in our field. We've got a bank of 3D printers that is a very recent advancement that we're able to use for for the advancement of our own technology. So this bank of 3D printers is giving us the ability to have an idea for something and actually have it in hand by the end of the day.
One of Ghost Stop's best sellers is Boo Buddy.
So you see Boo Buddy here, he's got his little backpack, and he is detecting energy changes, motion, vibration, and temperature changes.
So if there's something strange in your neighborhood, you know who to call.
For OrlandoSentinel.com, I'm Kayla O'Brien.